Hello, my friends. This is Earth versus Mankind for weather and disasters news. Massive hailstorms in Guangxi and Guizhou Province have caused extensive damage, breaking windows, damaging cars, and destroying crops. Large hailstones as big as baseballs have left roads filled with dented vehicles and fields of ruined crops. The destruction includes collapsed buildings and disrupted power lines, adding to the severity of the situation. Immediate relief efforts are in progress to help affected communities and reduce the disaster's impact. The ongoing risk of additional hailstorms emphasizes the critical importance of remaining vigilant and prepared in the region. At the end of this video, thank you very much for watching it. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more weather and disasters news.